unveil the logo of the magnificent development for us. So ladies and gentlemen, the newest urban oasis for you, the park. Completely close to nature, enriching lives. That surely puts an end to all these speculations as we have the magnificent The Park unveiled right here for you. Dear friends, The Park, South Mumbai's largest private landscape. Thank you so much, and I request you to kindly take stage. Dear friends, you should surely have more photo opportunities, but it's now time to hear a little bit more on the project, on the development.
And thank you for being here today for the launch of the park. The park is South Mumbai's and probably Mumbai's first planned master plan, wherein instead of doing a project, what the company has decided to do is to create a large master plan around a great public space with 7 acres purely dedicated to creating one large green expanse, something we sorely miss in Mumbai. When you see across the world, whether it's Central Park in New York, or Hyde Park, or Regent's Park in London, or so many others, the very best real estate is always around these magnificent public spaces. And what we are today presenting to Mumbai is an equivalent mega-scale public space around which a variety of different developments, including residential, bungalows, townhouses, retail, will come up over time with the very best brands and designers from across the world, bringing to Mumbai what is the best from around the world. So the park, we believe, will set a new benchmark for development in India and Mumbai, offering great public spaces for everybody to enjoy and making sure that the quality of life for people living in Mumbai becomes a lot better over time.
Fantastic. And Aishwarya, of course, I'd like to bring you in here and would want to know from you that how did you choose to associate with the park?
Well, thank you very much. Good afternoon, Abhishek, members of the media, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you so much for such a warm welcome on this wonderful sunny day. I'd just like to say that it's been an absolute pleasure, evidently, for me to come on board with the Lodha Group on such an incredible project like the park. It gives me absolute pride in this new association, and I'm really, really looking forward to the experience of this great gift that Lodha Group is giving to our wonderful city. This is the first association for me with a real estate developer, and what better group for me to associate than with the very best. The Lodha Group has been documented currently as the #1 leading real estate developer, and I am absolutely thrilled, and I repeat, proud to be associated with the Lodha Group on this new venture. The park is an outstanding development one which is going to be at par with the best internationally, and definitely something that we in the city are looking forward to, where its residents are going to be treated to natural beauty, tranquility, a lot of treats on the property, which of course I think is Abhishek's prerogative to share with all of you in great detail. But they've already given you a sneak peek, as they have to me, and hence the coming together on such a wonderful project was only natural, pun unintended, for me to come on board, and I've gladly joined the group and on this communication as its brand ambassador.
Thank you so much for those wonderful thoughts. And Mr. Lodha, I'd like to ask you that you've just...
This development is designed by a variety of different brands and designers. Each building will have a special focus, special attention, special detail, and over time we'll be bringing many, many such world-class names to Mumbai in this development. The park per se, the 7 acres of magnificent green space, have been designed by P Landscape, which is a landscape firm based in Bangkok, which does a lot of hospitality design, and by Voha, which is one of the world's leading architectural firms. So these two firms have really, been the heart and soul of the park. And over time, of course, we will have many, many great names, brands associated with the park. Mrs. Rai Bachchan, of course, is a true icon of India. She is not only representative of India's aspirations, but a truly global name. And we're very happy and proud to have her associated with the development at its very inception.
Right. Aishwarya, as Mr. Lodha just mentioned, that you are world-renowned and, you're an icon for all of us here. You've traveled across the world. How important do you think when it comes to the Mumbai lifestyle, the hustle and bustle, how important it is to get back to more closer to nature with these kind of developments, and what is that you would want to say about that?
Actually, the answer is in your question, where, as you rightly put it, yes, I've had the privilege and the opportunity to travel extensively and have a blessed life where, I get the opportunity to have so many varied experiences. But I think the vision that the Lodha Group is promising the residents of this city is something that we all would definitely look forward to, because we love our city and we love Mumbai, and we're very, very proud Mumbaikars, as we'd say. But at the same time, it is a hustling, bustling city. It is our commercial capital. And I think it would be wonderful to enjoy a lot more lush greenery and tranquil ambiances as well in our incredibly developed city. So the promise of the vision of the park seems to be able to give its consumers precisely that. And hence, I am really, really looking forward to this development in its completion already. No pressure, but I am.
Thank you so much. Mr.